3, 2, 1. And we are live, baby. It is Tuesday. Volume is set to be high. And sorry, Chad, we need to kill all of that beautiful music because unfortunately, yeah, we do things the right way. We do it. Where's this? We need to do it the non-copyright. There we go. There we go, Chad. That really gets me fired up for the day. Okay, straight into that, and I'm absolutely ready just to have a day. Keeks, how are you feeling? I know you already said you're feeling a little bit chalked. Market's been slow.
Yeah, but these markets are killing me right now, eh?
Chad, how are you guys feeling? Yesterday was a slow one. It was actually moves, believe it or not. There were moves yesterday, and I'm a little bit bleak that I didn't lock in yesterday afternoon, but nonetheless, Chad, we live and we learn. Nothing that we can really do about it now, but there were definitely some moves. Let me just see. What time was this? Just want to see something in the chat. Alright, guys, voting day tomorrow. I'm hearing Keek saying pre-drinks at his house before we go to vote, and then Brian afterwards there's some hot dogs and
the after party at
Henny's. Hey, people are gonna vote. Alright, Chad. Sorry, man. What's happening here? Terry Chinoka. Haven't seen you in a while. Hope you are well. Terry Chinoka. Who else there? Etienne back from the dead. Dylan Savage, good morning. Jason, good morning, good morning. Slashy, Bevan, Amina, Craig, Hood Angels, WSTNO, Aganang, Saripi. Beautiful. Who else is there? Okay, I'm going to do Fabs. Good morning, Curtis. Bevan, Boetie van Us. Lekker Boetie. Hoop het gaan goed aan. Nathan Williams, as always. Pleasure. Unity Markets. Good morning, Unity Markets in the house. I don't think I've seen Unity Markets. Neil van Investa is an Chad. It's going to be a day. Neil is here early today. Lakanila. Daniel Note. Jody Goodles. Alright, Chad. Beautiful. Let's get cooking here today. We've got 22 minutes to go through an analysis. We still have to pray for the sinners, for the saints, for all of us. We need that prayer every single day, every morning. So before we get started, just going to bring this down a little bit. And our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory. In Jesus' name, forever and ever. Amen, amen. Just two amens, Chad. All I need. It's all we need. Just two. Two, going once, going twice. Curtis, you've got that first amen. Locked in. Hood Angels, beautiful. You guys are the winners. You have claimed that victory already. Beautiful, chat. So, with that being said, Keeks,
What's up, brother?
I think let's just ramp it up. Let's just bring that energy up. We've got 2Gs, Project G loading very soon. That's something to be excited about. An economic calendar. Let's quickly go here. What's happening with my econ calendar here? Chad, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Why is this doing this to us? Why are you doing this to us, my bro? Let's do that. Okay, there we go. Chad, audio good before we start here. Things are going to start moving at a rapid pace here of knots. Audio good. Just let me know. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keeks, nice. 1, 2, 3.
Testies. 1, 2, 3.
All right, testies in. Testies in, Chad. What's happening? Audio good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio seems to be good. Is the audio good? I don't know. Nobody's chatting to us here. That's why we're looking forward to the Project G, because then you guys will be with us in the Zoom as well. So solid audio today. Amen. Okay, beautiful. Here we go, Keeks. Chad. Unfortunately, today could be a very chalk day. I'm just letting you know. Nothing much happening. Already had some Fed speakers. ECB's Schnabel, I don't know, Schnabel, how do you put that out? But anyways, Chairman Jordan also speaking. Eurogroup meeting, 19 minutes all day. And then, Kashkari, consumer confidence. It could be a very slow day. Fed's daily, and then Cook. A lot of the word around town is that Trump said that Fed's cook. Let him cook. I don't know. That's just what I heard. But anyways, Chad, it's going to be a slow one in terms of macroeconomic news today, so let's just take it easy with that. And onto the daily. DXY. Yesterday, as mentioned, I was bearish due to the fact that we rejected that area. I was neutral. I'm bearish on the week. And why am I bearish on the week? We talked about this yesterday, just looking at the previous little cycle and expecting the same to happen this week. So that is one of the reasons. And daily is now confirmed resistance, and nice confirmed resistance. Only thing is, what are we going to be doing around this level? That is the key level there. So we're between these two ranges, and we're going to need to see what we do on the lower time frame. So daily, bearish to neutral. So let's just say be bear to neutral. 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly look at it. Beautiful, nice big Asia range. Nice little open gap up there. Already trading at the daily S2, already trading at that key level. So I would love for us to first go and close that little gap up here. And then from there we can try to get short on this. Otherwise, if we're going to start holding this key level, I'm going to be somewhat bullish on the dollar for the rest of the day. So just keep in mind, Chad, this is what we're going to be monitoring. 104.031 US 30. Let's quickly look at US 30. And before we look at US 30, as always, what did our Asian brethren do? Hang Seng closing down 0.15%. Nikkei closing down 0.1%. It's still on the economic calendar, Chad. It is a horrific day to be an economic. My goodness, Chad, I do apologize for that. That must have been rough. But dollar 104.031. As simple as that. Do apologize for that little slip up there. But we're back. US 30, as mentioned, Asia relatively flat to bearish. Yesterday I was bearish on this. We broke a little bit lower. And I still said if we're going to stay bearish, we need to trade below Friday's low. However, little ab roller candle, closing bullish, still closing below that level. And I'm going to be bearish to neutral, Chad. That is... bearish to neutral. 5-minute time frame. What do we have here? Beautiful. We've got a nice little Asia range here. 80 is looking somewhat bullish, so if we can start trading above here, Chad, very, very simple for me. Long and strong, we want those bulls to really start taking control here. Nasdaq daily time frame, Chad, beautiful. Look at Nas. We said that we are bullish on the week, that we are bullish on the day, and as I mentioned previously, very interesting. Are we going to go and fill this week? 18,951. I've got a little bit of a congestion. Feels like my eyes want to water. So still bullish. Still want to go for that wick fill up there. And then daily. It was a bad day to be a bear. While we on this, what did the S&P do? That brother yesterday that was so adamant for us to stop chatting. Chad, give me 1 second. US 500. Yeah. Okay. So he absolutely got annihilated.
That's a tough one.
Yeah. Annihilated. Yeah. Anyways, Chad. That's when you lose your manners. You get wrecked. Okay. Nasdaq. Very simple. I want to see what we do at the daily pivot down here. And then obviously we're going for that wick fill up there. Also close to the weekly R1. So things are looking bullish for Nas. Keeks, are you ready, my brother?
I'm ready, brother.
Now, why is the atom not showing your screen?
Oh, it's a bad day to be an atom.
Bad day to be a young atom. Okay, let's just see it, chat. Give me 1 second. I don't know how things change. Oh, new Keegan screen. Oh, there, Keegan is back, chat. My goodness. Keegan, you are back, my bro.
I'm on back, bro. It's just like I never left.
Is the chat working? Chad, wait. Good morning, people. Okay, it's the last. Chad, just quickly drop something in the chat there. 1212. Just want to see if the chat is working. It is quite cold here. I don't know if the tech is also feeling the cold, but and this light is.
Yeah, to be fair, that thing is delayed, but it's coming through. Yeah.
Yo, the light here this morning.
Yeah. But Chad, let's get into it. Yeah, DXY. So we said to you guys yesterday we were having a neutral on the weekly, but we were still going to have a more of a bearish outlook. As I said to you guys, we could have had this pullback, but very, very essentially, we could have basically been trading up to want to see if we want to start pricing in. But again, as I said to you, this big move was basically no reason for it. Again, we just basically filled that news candle and then came right back down to the downside. So we said yesterday, obviously, the key area for us was this 104, 165, where we tested it, then held around it, and then basically gapped down this morning so far, literally taking it. So the first thing I want to take note of is obviously there is that gap. So the fact we have traded down, we're already at the S2 on the day. Very, very good chance we can see this pull back up, go get those Asia highs, and then just test that key level and close up that gap again before we can then turn bearish again after that. But we definitely are going to be taking more of a bearish outlook going into this session. We have also had this little bit of a support zone we've tested now, as you can see here. So we just want to take note of that, keeping that in mind when driving back up here. It is Tuesday. Obviously, market's back alive again. There's no bank holiday, so we're really going to see them maybe just pricing a little bit of recovery from yesterday. But on the downside, definitely, I think going into London, we're going to see predominantly maybe a dollar strength. If anything, we're going to see dollar bears. We should be failing already around about these highs now, coming back down under that S2 and continue lower if you're going to see bearish momentum. But even though we are bearish, I think London session, we're going to see a bullish dollar. Then over to indices. We said this to you guys yesterday. We are bullish. Only looking at this now, we actually did have quite a decent move yesterday, testing that weekly pivot and shooting back up. As we said, guys, as much as you don't play with falling knives, you don't try and catch flying knives. So this thing literally hasn't shown you one reason why you want to try sell this yet. So I really hope no one is trying to hedge it the whole time. But as you say, breaking structure the whole time. Literally, there you go. That was the break. Same thing now today. We've traded down, tested the level of support, trading back up. So again, the big continuation today will just be that nice break over there, and then see the next candle continue to pump back to all-time highs and the weekly resistance. So definitely going to be looking for the buys. I think this will be quite a nice trade for us to catch today. Already the fact we're at the highs of the day, we're going to see Asia highs being swept. Personally, I'd like to see us, if we're going to have a nice bullish move, just hang around Asia highs, maybe even back to the daily pivot, but hanging around this area. As much as we could see the pullback, to Asia lows and the support, you got to think of it as a break. We've retested that support, so if we aren't coming down, more likely we're actually going to break and continue bearish. So because of this being a retest of an initial break of resistance, turning support, we now just want to see it hold and continue bullish. So as I said, Asia highs, worst case scenario, daily pivot retested, but for me, Asia highs would be the perfect one, and then see that continuation from there. Then over to US 30. Yesterday actually going quite bullish. We can see it coming in. The fact that I said to you guys, we are at this zone, we needed to see it being tested, which we got that perfect test there yesterday by the looks of it, and now turning around. So again, the fact we have turned around, I'm actually going to say I'm going to be more bullish on the day, and a very, very simple reason for that one is obviously we've held support. But the big thing for us is very, very simply, as Chris will also always tell you guys, it's very easy. The fact we've turned bullish, most likely we can just see this wick fill over here. So that's going to be a very, very easy move for us now today. So literally looking for this, same as NASDAQ, setting up. You've now created this nice level of resistance over here to break. We've had a bit of a nice big bullish move. You've had your pullback, and again, no top wick. So now we can just see this turnaround. And as I said, same as NASDAQ, there's your turn. Get a nice break like that, and there's your continuation to go fill this wick. So literally both indices looking very, very much bullish today for us. On the lower time frames, this one even looking a little bit better though on the pullback, because now you've had Asia lows, Asia highs. Asia lows not exactly being tested, but coming quite close, and then turning around showing us that the buyers are not letting the sellers come in over there. So again, same as NASDAQ, anything above Asia highs, we'd love to see that push, break this resistance, turn support, and continue on the buys. So going to be a bullish day for me.
Keeks, I really appreciate that energy. I can feel your energy levels are slowly but surely starting to rise, but we're going to pick it up. We're gonna lock in here for greatness. Gold, Chad, beautiful. I'm bearish on the weekly. I am bullish on the daily. Why am I bullish? We've got a confirmed support here. We closed back inside of the range. 2340, again, I mentioned on Friday. I mentioned it yesterday. 2340 is a key level, Chad. It's not a key level because DJ Khaled said he's dropping keys. No, it's a key level because price has reacted off this level previously. Some of you need to stop watching DJ Khaled and start watching your bank balance. I'm kidding. That sounds like something Roger Banks would say. And you know how we feel about that scamming. Anyway, Chad, so key level here, 2340. I hope Keegan agrees with me, but that is the level that I'm monitoring today, 2340. If we can hold that, I'm going to be looking long in the interim. So bullish. Weekly is still bearish for me. 5-minute time frame. What do we have here, Chad? Okay, everything looking bearish. There's 2350. Let's see if we can get a retest there. At the weekly lows, at the session lows. Is this the weekly low? It is not, Chad. Believe it or not, it is not. 4 hour coming back to retest that. So beautiful, 2340. Let's quickly check the grid levels. Let's see what the grid is telling us. The grid is saying, let it be heard what the grid is saying. The grid is saying 2350 is where you want to be looking today. 2350 and then 2345 in the short term. This was yesterday's little congestion zone, 2345. Okay, Chad, we're going to wait for this to open up. We're going to see where we open up, and then we're going to execute on this bad boy. See if we can catch some trades. I would love to see what we do at 2350. If we're going to continue lower, that is where I would want to get short. Otherwise, if we just continue lower and we start holding 2340, I might look for a very aggressive pullback play. Otherwise, we're just going to go with the trend. Remember, we're still bearish on the week. Then very quickly, GBP USD. Yesterday we were neutral. I don't know why we were neutral. That was a clear daily break. Were we neutral? I could swear we were bullish. Anyways, Chad, this for me is as bull as they come. I was maybe going to watch yesterday's analysis, but yeah, took a previous low, took a high, bullish engulfing, break of structure as bullish. Oh yeah, we closed bullish up against this at 127.50, so it was neutral up until we got above that level, which we did. Weekly R1, this is now where things get interesting. This is where we can start rejecting potentially, or this thing is just going to start running away. So daily time frame for me is bullish to neutral. Let's just do this, bull to neutral. Some of you are bull neutral in your marriage. Time to be bullish again. Anyway, weekly R1, Chad. This is all that you need to focus on here today. If we cannot get it back above the weekly R1, this thing is going short, and we've got quite a bit of downside momentum that we can look forward to. So 2 minds, R1, otherwise I am looking short, even though I'm bullish neutral on the day. Just looking at probabilities for pullback. Euro USD, very quickly, we've got 4 minutes, 3 minutes left. Euro USD daily, what do we have? We have bullishness. Bullishness, why? Weekly bullish, daily bearish. Oh. What was I smoking yesterday? Chat, I need to go and watch yesterday's analysis. Oh, yeah, okay. Anyways, bullishness today for the potential to come and retest the weekly R1, 5 minute. Asia eyes up there. Everything is looking relatively bullish. We're going to need to see what we do there. Chad, weekly R1, also key level up there. UJ, very quickly, daily. Daily is pulling back. Already took the lows, now already flipping bullish. So very interesting. Was that the low of the week being created this morning? I hope so. Still not testing that weekly pivot. All of this overlapping. I'm still bullish. I'm going to wait to see if we can maybe test that weekly pivot. 5 minute time frame. 80 is as bullish as they get. 157, that's the level we need to monitor going into the session. And from there we can start to look long. GJ, 2 minutes left. Daily time frame. Still bullish, chat there. Are we going to fall that a week today? Holy. Bullish. Daily, let's see if we... Why did I say daily neutral? Chat, something's wrong here. I can almost be 100% sure we said bullish yesterday, but anyways, I don't know why this is saying neutral. I'm 100% bullish on this, as I've been for weeks, so let's just see if we can get in. I know Nila caught a beautiful round number trade yesterday. Alright, chat, so already taking Asia lows, already taking Asia highs. We've got the half round number here. There's the wick fill. And yeah, let's see if we can. I think there's going to be an explosive move here, Chad. A very explosive move above that level. Nila catching this on the 4 hour on the markets open. No, still 1 minute left. Nila caught this beautiful continuation trade. If you don't know why Nila took this, there's 2 reasons. Actually, caught it here. Took it on that candle. Close above that round number 200. Continuation trade. Go check the Discord in the education section. If you go down here, check there, you'll see this is a buy continuation. This trade here, market structure A, beautiful. And yeah, I think Nila, I don't know what he locked in, 38, barely pips, but pips is pips. You never say no to a pip. Still going for that wick fill, still bullish on the daily EJ. 4 hour, not looking that great. 5 minute, what do we have? Nice little Asia range back above the daily R1. If we can hold above this level, this thing is going to do some work today, Chad. And Keeks, still over to you, Chad. But before we go over to Keeks, we are officially opening up these markets for you guys today. Round 3, fight. Beautiful. Keeks, gold. Let's do it. There must be something on gold. There must.
So, as I said, guys, gold, we were bullish yesterday, but we did take a bit more of a neutral outlook. So, the bars playing off very, very nicely for us. But again, neutral outlook. So, we just want to see what happens now. We've hit this major resistance level again. So, obviously, we did break through. So, as I said to you with everything else you saw literally this morning, you want to see the retest turn and hold as support now, which right now is failing very, very badly. So, I think that neutral outlook is coming in for us. But again, as I said yesterday, this kind of was expected. You had an unfair contest, gold in action against a two-man team on the dollar. So now dollar coming back into it, we can see this result of that. So what we're going to be looking for over here, guys, is again, we've had the major break of that level. Now I want to trade back up. So we want to start looking for something we can find as a tangible area. So right now, if we go there, 23.41 for me would kind of be my level. And I know Chris is looking at 23.40. So for me, that's going to be the first major area I want us to be looking at. So we're just going to take this one into mind right over there. Looking at this line here, nice and tight over there, but we are going to work with that perfectly. I'm happy with that. So that's what we're going to look for. See if we can actually really start finding some type of support over here. If we start breaking even more lower, very, very simple, then we are just retracing the whole move, going to that S1 and going back down to where we were yesterday and start actually aiming for these lows that we still have to go get tested. But if we can hold this, very, very simple for us. We've obviously got the daily pivot EQ. We've pumped right past those. So personally, what I would like to see even more is if we can hold support here, and if we could get back up there, hold above that EQ, even get above this zone again on the daily pivot. Beautiful long move, and also aiming all the way back up for Asia high. So we really could get a nice move here if we can get in on those buys. But as I said, we got to obviously look at momentum, we got to look at probability, and right now we are going to the downside very, very quickly. So as I say, when we look on the 4 hour, your next level is all the way back down at these lows over here. So we can even kind of put that alert all the way back down there. Personally, I'm actually going to move that alert to the top of that rejection area. But this starts becoming what we're going to be looking for on the day. So already on the 4 hour, we can mark out these lows over here. That's what we're going to be looking for as a target. So that already becomes a target here for us today. So if this thing continues the way it's going, we are going all the way back down to 23.27. And if we get the break even lower back down to 2300, that weekly key level, which is still untested again. So we really could see some big sales coming in. So this zone right now is becoming the make or break for gold. And as I said, the big thing is right now it needs to at least get back above this EQ. So if we can get around this zone, guys, we're gonna look for the buys. Anything under here, we're gonna start looking for the sells, the continuation sells. So just keep your eyes out and be quite alert. But I think either way, sells or buys, you're going to actually catch a very big move on gold today.
Are you done?
I'm done, brother.
Oh, now I'm in the shadows. I want to come into the light. Still in the shadows. How's the lights in here, Keeks? Are you happy with the lights?
Yeah, I'm chill, bro.
Really? Okay. Chad, GBP USD is looking like it wants to do some work here for the team today. Weekly R1. This is as juicy as it gets. And then, yeah. Alrighty. Kalen, I'm just waiting for feedback from the team. So I've got you on that one. Don't stress. We are going to get that sorted for you. And then also, what is this? Funky Space Princess.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Funky Space Princess.
Okay.
That's the jam right there, bro.
Summer in New York. Here we go, baby. It's all about the copyright free, royalty free music. Sure. Okay. We're doing it. We are doing it. just get this chat right here. How do I remove the emotes here? Okay, there we go. BOJ's underlying inflation measures in April fall below 2% as per Yahoo Finance. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Beautiful. What else did I miss here? Evan Josias. Beautiful, brother. Swing for the fences, my dude. Rux. Good morning, G's and chat. We're going to have an awesome day. Full peach house today. Yes. What else is there? Forex insights. Check. 1 2 1 2. Guoquar Nazibekova. My goodness, what a name. That is a lot for one person. Alrighty, Chad. Are we going to get these shorts on DXY? Not DXY, GBP, USD. We actually need Caitlin on these streams just to check Mo's screen. Geeks, do me a favor. Just slide back and see if the chart's open on that man's screen. Oh, is he actually sitting here? Okay, quickly check. Keegan is going to check first. Chad, here's the thing. Mo is most probably the only swing trader.
He's got the stream open.
Mo is the only swing trader that executes on the 4 hour and then sits on the 5 minute and watches it.
Amira, is it still having that problem?
What is that?
They can't trade on Vault's Funder. Says you can't trade any pairs though.
I heard you guys are talking shit. Hey, Keeks? I heard you guys are talking shit. What are you saying?
Not me, bro. It's your boy.
What are you saying, Chris?
Send a message to Pairs Shows Grey. All of them, Amira.
Chris,
Yo.
what are you saying?
Now, so you're the only swing trader that opens a trade on a 4 hour and then you sit there on the 5 minute.
That's fine. I'll take that criticism. But I'm out today, boys. I'm just a graphic designer.
Yeah, Mo. Let's quickly look here. Amira, just do me a favor. Are you go show all and are you trading the .A symbols?
This is what I asked because she asked me yesterday about it, and I said, yeah, just make sure you trade in the other one, not the normal.
You need to be trading the .A, and then let's quickly check if there's any issues here. Oh, that's opening. Let's check gold quickly. Okay, gold working.
Mine working fine. Yeah, Amira, just make sure, as you said though, you're using the .A one.
Yeah, mine's. I just checked now. Everything's working. Yeah.
I tried trading US30.A, but then my trade gets disabled. Lol.
Disabled.
Try US30.A.
Yes. US30. Actually, open it right now and close there. Open. US30.A, and let's just close the trade quickly. Yeah. Let's open it up again. Let's just check. Yeah, you can drag and do take profits. $200 milliseconds. Okay. Seems fine, yeah, on this side, eh? What else is there? Euro USD for sell, Chris. I see the opposite trade to Friday's long trade in Dorbo. I'm looking at GBP USD if we get it. Euro USD short trade. I'm gonna say we're gonna have to wait, eh? We're gonna have to wait up until here. And then also we're gonna need to see some divergence here because this is quite a spike on the buy side volume. So I'm not totally against your idea. I'm also looking short, but GBP USD actually looks better for me, if I'm honest. Anno Domino Beats. Let's see what we get with Anno. There we go. Had an update yesterday on MT5. Make sure you update it and then restart. Oh damn, Milani. That is why it's always necessary to do your updates, Chad. Necessary to do the updates. Alright, guys. DXY 104.03. That's what it's about here today. That is the only level that we really care about this morning. Anything else is just noise. US 30. We're going to need to see what we do yet. Asia highs. And that key level, and then also Nasdaq. Beautiful. This thing is just ready to do some work for the long-term portfolios. Nasdaq just being a godsend for a lot of people that are retired and that have their funds in a tracking fund. Beautiful to see. Euro not doing anything. USD JPY. Yeah, we're gonna need to see what we do at this daily pivot, Chad. This daily pivot needs to hold a little bit. Are we gonna see some intervention here today? I don't know. Am I worried about intervention? Not at all. That's why we have stop losses. 250. Right, EJ. Okay, EJ. I'm gonna go with EJ. Still has some room to go, chat, for the daily wick fill. EJ has got a lot of room, Chad. I'm ready to go long on this if we can get a structure break here. Not gonna be easy, but 170.62. I'm locked in here today, Chad. I'm locked in, ready to get my powder wet, and I'm ready to do some damage here today. Not to my account, but to the markets. Please watch your words. What do the guys usually say? Your confession, Keegan, becomes your possession, my brother.
Yeah.
What are you professing, Keegs? Are you professing good things, or are you professing bad stuff?
I'm professing lots of TPs, bro.
There you go, Chad. NSUSDT, your view, sir, please. It is neutral to bullish to bearish. No, I'm kidding. Let's quickly check it for you, my brother or sister Prince. I'm rating you coming from India because that's where most of Keegan's fan base is in India. So, Chad, just be on the lookout. Our Indian brethren are going to start joining the stream, and we love our Indian brethren. It is just very sad that we cannot trade Bank Nifty and Nifty 50.
Bro, that would be sick. I promise you I would do that.
Yeah. NZD USD is bullish. As you can see, bullish breakout, but we are trading into a zone here. Let me just do this quickly. Daily is bullish for me. We are coming to this previous zone of rejection. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? We've got a beautiful Asia range here, and I'm gonna say, if you are gonna continue bullish, you need to hold above this level, my brethren. And I've got a feeling that you are short on this, and that's why you're asking, what is my view? You've been stacking the shorts. The shorts have been playing with you. You started shorting here yesterday. You added some shorts here. You added some shorts there. So you have quite a long stack on the shorts, and I'm saying, my brother, if you look at the 80 is showing that your shorts are in trouble. And if you want to short, you're going to need to see this black line here on the accumulation distribution. That needs to start trading below the 200 EMA. Otherwise, you're going to keep adding shorts and your account is going to blow. And if we start holding above this level, your shorts are then really, really in trouble, unfortunately, my brother. So, yeah, there you go. There you go. Was he short? Did he say? I don't know what he said. Yeah. Okay, was just spamming target. Beautiful. So Prince, there you go. I'm gonna say if we cannot hold there, kill those shorts. You're in a bad trade, my brother. Chad, that is the only time somebody spams a view on a pair is because they're looking for affirmation of their wrong position. Ooh, okay, here we go. Here we go, Chad. Shuffle has officially ended. Weekly R1 in the mix. In the mix. On my prop account, Vault Funder, whenever I try to place orders on USD and as it says trade disabled. Chad, let me check here. Give me a second. Keeks, I'm just going to throw on your screen. Just want to go into my WhatsApp here, Chad. Yeah. That's telling me busy. Chad, give me 1 second. I'm asking the tech team now. Let me just greet the people outside here. I'm coming now. It's on your screen. That's my friend.
Yeah, guys, I think this is going to get interesting. Watching what DXY is doing. Say gold kind of retracing that. It's holding that there, so that's nice. The indices. This is going to be interesting, indices, right, for me, because indices, you're seeing a bit of a move, kind of, as I said, you want to see this hold. If this doesn't hold, you're coming back down Asia lows, that retest. And US 30, you're seeing almost a very similar move. You've actually came back up, retested that big spike there. Now the bearish move back down. So on the higher time frames, this looking very, very good. You've still got your highs there. You kind of making structure. No top wick, that filled it. Then no top wick on that really. That took out those little highs. Big rejection. So if this they are to flip now, I think you can see a big push to the downside. So this is something I actually want to keep my eye on, yeah. But I think this is you gotta wait for the 4 hour though. Keep in mind, as we said, we're not going to trade this in London session. We learned our lesson there. The strategy we use, especially with indices, works a lot better in New York. So we just want to see that play out then. But yeah, seeing, I think the reversals definitely could be on the cards, yeah. We do have the neutral outlook on US 30 compared to NASDAQ. So, yeah, personally, higher time frames, I think USD would be the play for me, purely because it's just got a bit more backing behind it on the higher time frames. We can see Abrola big rejection. So this one looking a lot better for me. Could catch something actually very, very nice on here. So I think, I think we're on the right side. We could catch a nice move here today.
Keys, why didn't you tell me these foot models were gonna come in now? I had to look at feet, bro.
Hey, bro. Hopefully they were good ones though. We can't be taking like.
Bro, the thing is, cracked heels. I thought you said on the CV, no cracked heels.
No, there's chances, bro.
Nah, bro, they're chancing. Chris, sorry, I don't want to spam. I sent a message waiting for an email on my KYC documents and funded account in the chat. Chadwell, who did you email, my brother? Who did you email? Because everything should be up to date. Had a chat with them yesterday. Let me just see. Chad, I've sent a message now to. I've sent a message now to the tech team. We're gonna find out now what is going on. Support at VaultFunder. Chadwell, when did you email? Please just allow at least 24 to 48 hours for the team. So the process once you get funded is they go through your trade history, the tech team, just to make sure that you did not use any HFT bots. Then also your documents get screened by the KYC department for the validity of it to make sure that everything is in order. And then once your documents have been processed, then you will receive your funded account. So please note, Keegan will tell you as well, once your KYC is done, it is very easy from there. So you don't have to stress. Unfortunately, that is just part of the process, part of what needs to be done. And as much as we want things to happen within 5 minutes once you send your email, that is unfortunately not possible. So Chadwell, things will... what do you project for GBP AUD? No, I'm not projecting anything. Feet models, yes. Yes. Cracked heels, no. Morning, Chad. Chris, what's your take on GBP USD? I'm looking short from 2758. I'm also looking short, but not from 275. I'm looking short if we cannot get back above here. Okay, your Friday analysis supported my long. That's why I took it. Beautiful to see. I didn't take it. I'm still crying inside. This was a very, very clean setup. For those of you who don't know, maybe a little bit of education. Let me just go back to my screen. We all know, and Keegan will tell you, and I will tell you, the longer we go into like a little range like this, the bigger the move, and you get a nice explosive move after a little accumulation phase like this. And once we broke out of this, holding above 12700 at the moving averages at the low of the week, 80 was nice and bullish. This is a AA grade setup. What's been tough for me in May is that we haven't had a lot of this. So my May hasn't been terrible. It hasn't been great though, to be honest. NFP, I don't know, every time I say NFP, it's because I want to go into Notion and then I'm thinking CPI, Notion, NFP. May has not been terrible, but it has not been great either. So the only thing that's keeping my May alive is basically the CPI day. Let's just go to May quickly here. Trade journal for May. 10 trades for May. Chad, here you go. 10 trades for me in May. The net pip count is 227 pips. I don't know if you guys can see it down here. And then Friday, those 2 trades, so bleak about them. Beautiful, beautiful trades on Euro USD. And on gold, Euro USD doing the most of the damage there. But yeah, we hit a break even on it, and that's fine. That's going to happen. Had to chat with Keegan afterwards. Said I was maybe a little bit trigger happy with the stop losses, but also it's been such a trending week. You mentally you're thinking, shit, this thing can actually still go down quite a bit. And yeah, hindsight, foresight, all easy after the fact. But again, Keegs, how's your month been?
I think I'm pretty much break even, bro.
So it's also been a...
Well, no, like, okay, hold on. Like, okay, I'm not, technically I'm not break even now. I think I'm just thinking of last week. The month I'm actually quite up. Like, yeah, I'm quite up on the month, but it's been rough. I think we spoke about the one New York session, like literally last week, having I think 3 break evens, but like the one winner was a big winner. So yeah, it's been draining mentally.
Yeah, it's been tough. The volume has been low. Even now this morning, this is we 30 minutes in, and this is gold, GBP USD. I'm waiting here. Somebody asking about news and stop loss rule on prop. Traders Forex, do me a favor, my brother. If you go onto Vault Funder, it's incredible the things you can do once you start reading. When you actually sit down, you go onto a website and then you start reading, and then you go through and you're like, damn, okay. And then you start going through the FAQs, and then you actually go through the terms and conditions, and you see, damn, this company actually took the time to do terms and conditions for the products they have, and everything is in here. All of these beautiful documents that the business actually took the time out to actually write all of this. There was actually somebody that wrote all of this, put it into a document. And the thing is, traders Forex, do not be afraid to read, my brother. I know a lot of us sometimes think, if I'm going to read, something bad's going to happen. Nothing bad's going to happen. Only good things happen once you start reading. So I'm going to have to ask you that, my brother. Please go and read. Everything is in here. If it's not on the homepage, it will be somewhere in the legal docs. Go through it. The competition terms, all of it. Beautiful. These beautiful documents here. You cannot believe it's incredible. Keeks, what do you rate? Reading. Were you scared of reading at one stage?
Reading a book, yeah.
Okay.
But like this, no.
Okay.
Like if I'm gonna do something like for myself, like I'm gonna go buy a prop firm account.
Traders,
I'm gonna do that. I can read.
Chad, let's just give it up for Traders Forex. He says he's gonna start reading, baby. Traders Forex is not gonna just ask questions and want that teaspoon in the mouth. He's actually gonna read. 9Ks, Chad. Listen here. Traders Forex, we love you, my brother, but we have to talk straight here. We cannot baby everybody here. The thing is, when you come in contact with us, with the community, you have to leave better. You have to leave challenged. if you come here and you leave the same, then either we're not doing our job or you are just not engaging like you should. But Keeks, listen here, I think 9K before load shedding, because we've got load shedding Thursday. So we technically have tomorrow, only today and tomorrow, chat. So if you have not yet subbed, I'm telling you guys what, $10,000 accounts if we can get to 9K before the end of the week. Keeks, you're a witness here. You're a witness. $10,000 accounts if we can get to 9K before Friday. So Chad, share the channel. Get your brother. Get your sister. Don't get your ex. Maybe get your ex. I know some of you have a lot of exes. Keeks, I'm kidding, guys. It is a joke. It is a joke. I'm new at investing in stock markets. Gabriel Trent. Okay. Thank you for letting us know that you are new in investing in stonks. It is always good to see some new investors coming. Bit of a weird London session in EU longs and GU shorts. Holy. Sir, your trading skills suck. Thank you so much. Daily live crypto trading. Do appreciate that. Yeah.
What?
We take all criticism beautifully. Don't delete it, man. Come on. Keep it there. Keep it there. Daily live crypto trading. Thanks, my brother. We really appreciate you.
That's probably Mo's new account, bro.
Daily live crypto trading. It is beautiful. Shaquille Benjamin, good morning, good morning. Yeah, poor daily live crypto trading. Most probably one of the guys that's scared of reading, thinking that reading is going to cause some type of rash. Just waiting to start my funded challenge. Kaylin, beautiful. I'm joining stream after a long time. Sakar Jarav. Keeks, your people are here, my brother.
My people. We are coming in numbers, bro. We are coming to take over.
Chad, Keegan is not even fighting it anymore. Keegan is now embracing that 90% of his audience is Indian. Chad, here we go. Keegan is now embracing it. EJ, Chad. All I want to see now is I want to see a little bit of displacement here above this level. And all I want to see is a nice little retest hold here and then a break and then we're going long. So,
guys, you think I was joking? Hold on.
no, it's for real.
Like, guys, this is literally the next. This is literally my next reel. Wait, where is it?
Oh, Pharaoh. There we go, baby.
Oh, my brothers. We gotta embrace it, guys.
Chad, that's the thing. And here's the thing. A very good mate of us, Sahil, is also Indian. We love Indians, my bro. The only thing I hate about Indians is how good their hair is. Like,
I want hair
bro,
like that.
I'm envious. The Indian bros have hair like you can't believe, and I'm a little bit envious
Bob,
of that.
I promise you, watch, when 2Gs go international, first destination is India, bro.
Yeah.
Like, guys, hold on. Like, again, this isn't even a joke anymore. If you go into our analytics, South Africa is not even in my top cities anymore. Top cities. I've got Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, and then top countries.
Did you say Pune?
It is Pune.
Is it called Pune?
It's Pune.
Is that a city, bro?
Or why would you say it? What, bro? P-U-N-E. Is that Pune or Pune? How do you say that?
No. I'm just saying, bro. Like,
I'm gonna say it's Pune.
Pune is. That's where we need to be. That is the first place we're going to.
Literally, guys, top countries. Just so you can understand, South Africa, our hometown, is 7.9%. India,
Pune.
79.6%.
Pune.
It's Pune.
Pune.
All right, guys, there we
Pune.
go. No, but some guys are saying it's Pune. Punani.
Some of you guys have too much punay on your minds. Chad, Faro Markets dropping a young 140 dono. What's the name?
Got to embrace it, Chad.
Riyadh, yeah, I always reply to DMs, even if I have to take time. Give me 1 second.
Keys, watch it, bro. I'm not we like really serious about this. Keys gonna do a 25 Canada for the Indian Mandam. 100%. 100%. Guys, I promise you that's next time. Chris and myself are going to open a brokerage in South Africa that can trade Nifty 50. That's going to be on the cards.
You can actually do it, a CFD.
That's going to be it, guys. Before the end of 2024, 2Gs will be trading Nifty 50.
India loving the thick guy on Puni. Chad. Let me just see. I got my payment thing sorted. Corbin, Chad, baby. Corbin. Let's get it going, guys. Listen here, Chad. Biggest payout to date. Wait, let me just get the dates there. Biggest payout to date.
Oh.
Wait. Let me just go to those dates.
This is my guy.
It is your guy.
Hey.
It is your guy. Wait, chat. Give me 1 second. I just want to see what they sent me.
Team Keys representing, guys.
Yo, Chad. Keeks, you have his number, so we can actually phone him afterwards. I cannot say his name. The thing is, the Poppy Act will kill us. But it's Keegan's client. 250,000 rand on a 2 million rand account. So, do you have his number, Keeks?
But I'll get it.
Okay. Chat, so that is happening. Let me tell you when that is happening. What am I doing here? It's a nice little bit of economic stimulus coming to that, brother. Keeks, what did you say? Economic stimulus.
Economic stimulus.
Did you say it's a bad day to be a recession? The 14th, Chad, 14th of June. That will be the bigger. Bro, we're doing bigger payouts now than the funded trader. The funded trader not even making their traders whole as of yet.
It's quite funny, actually.
All right. I recently joined your lives and I enjoy them. Thank you so much for joining them. Tandi Kadol. Tandi Kadol. Are you from India? Sorry, I have to. Chad, who's from India? Who's from India? Yeah.
8gag, it's not John. That I can say.
Riyadh, he actually did it over 2 weeks, eh? 2 weeks. It's a 2 million rand account. I drove past the building that screams Vault Markets. Hey, no, it's not John Lee. It's not John Lee. Not John Lee. It's a guy I didn't even know about. It's one of Keegan's affiliates, one of his clients. And yeah, the man absolutely ripped into that account.
We're putting Vault to the test here, guys. for you, for the people.
For the people to see if
Because if
payouts-
that payout goes out, guys, you can't deny that anymore. Because majority of people are not getting those payouts. So if that payout can go through, that should answer all doubts.
Bro, it's not the payout is not actually that big even.
No, but I'm just saying the fact like majority of people are not getting that amount.
Oh.
Though. So the fact like if you can do a payout of that size, then anyone else like they don't have to worry about it anymore. Because then you know like your payout of 40k, 50k, like they can do that.
No, Nizam. The 250k is the profit, so the 80%, I think it's just over 200k that's getting paid out.
Sorry, bro. Yes.
200, yeah.
Just out of it. Interest sake. Obviously, these are like their big boys. They're big hitters.
Who's that?
FTMO is getting killed this week, bro.
Why?
They leaderboard, so they've got their payouts just like over the end of this week.
Yeah.
Their leaderboard, and these are guys, okay, these are guys with $100k dollar accounts. 3 of them have done over $100,000 profit for the month. So that's just 3 oaks on $100,000 dollar account are getting payouts. I think the leader guy is at $131,000
On a 100k.
on 100k. And then the second guy's like 128, and then the third guy's like 114 or something. But 3 oaks over $100,000 payouts.
When are you doing account giveaways? I want to break that payout record. Ndobo, we're going to do it if we can get to 9k before Friday. So be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not done so yet. Join the Discord. Check the description. Project G, hopefully, and I say hopefully because we are pushing to get everything done. Project G, hopefully this weekend or early next week. Something that all of you guys have been asking for. You want a direct access. You wanted to be in the Zoom with us in the chat. You wanted the one-on-ones. You wanted the feed pics. All of that. Keegan said, Keeks, you've done the feed pics, eh?
All inclusive.
Exclusive content, Chad. Not even OnlyFans. It's only feed. But I don't know. That was the request. Could you check AUD USD, please? It is bullish. Jasminder Singh. It's bullish. Keegan's people are here.
Oh, my Indians, yeah. Wait. We didn't even ask them. We asked there.
Jasminder Singh is definitely not South African. That is the trading ward. I'm from India. Gwenya, no, my bro. lies. Please don't lie. Not everybody can be from India here today. Hey guys, quick question. Do you believe having a job support your trading when you're starting off is the best, quickest way to make it?
Yeah.
Tato Quenya, I'm going to be very honest with you. I actually say you don't even have to quit your job trading. I'm very honest with you, and I've told you guys many times, if I could go back, I don't even think I would have quit my job. The unfortunate thing is, or not even unfortunate, is that I wouldn't have known this if I didn't quit my job. So no, there's nothing wrong with still working and trading. The only thing is you shouldn't do it like Mo, because what Mo is doing is Mo is on the edge, on the verge of destroying his job for trading, and trading is not paying his bills. So if you don't see Mo in the next month or two, I've publicly said it here, focus on your job that pays the bills. Trading then becomes secondary. So we love Mo, but if Mo is not here in a month or two, Chad, you know why. He's pursuing full-time trading, and there's nothing wrong with that. Who else is on buys on gold? No, I'm not buying gold here. Prague, Chad, just make sure you are live. Just press the live button so that we can get onto the live. I don't know why I'm putting little lines like that. Also expecting pump for gold in NY. Okay, could be. Yaspiner Singh, I'm from India, brother. Beautiful. First and foremost, Keegan, just on behalf of Keegan, we want to thank all of the Indian guys, all of the Indian brethren that is helping Keegan to go viral.
Oh, the Wagwans.
Did you say the Wagwan? Wagwan. What did you say now?
The Wagwans.
The Wagwans.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
There
Okay.
we go, bro.
Wagwans. There we go. I feel like Kevin Hart. What did he have a stroke now? Wagwan. Almost felt like Kevin Hart on Carson stream. We live out here. Okay. I work and trade. I can't lie. I'm making extra money for my Jack Daniels. Beautiful, bro. Nothing wrong with it. Gold goes down, bro. Buys gold. Nice. Gold goes down, bro. Buys gold. Who's buying gold? I'm not buying gold.
Oh, Riyadh. Sorry, man. Then I think they might have paid them out already. They even made a post about it on Instagram about their big payouts again. So I think then they might have already paid those ones out.
Bro, do we have load shedding again? Don't lie to me. It's load shedding back.
That didn't last long.
Bro, so what they actually did was they hit us before the elections even. They were like, listen, it's gonna be a bad look if you do it after the elections. Not you, the other guy. Who's the other guy at Trading Ward? I'm from Zimbabwe, trading from Pretoria, South Africa. Beautiful Benang Financial Institute. When is Project G launching? Nizam, hopefully this weekend. I want to say the soft launch this weekend, Geeks. We still need to test the payment gateways, all of the other stuff. So, and we're pushing, Chad. We're pushing. Gold doing nothing right now. Gold is literally in this little range here. We're going to need to wait. Not you, the other guy, bro. Who's the other guy? Thanks, Chris. Lovely stuff. Amira also here for Keegs. Bonang, it's lovely seeing Zimbabweans out here. Alright, US 30 still within the range. Nasdaq still within the range. DXY, Chad, we're going to need to see what we do here. Bear to neutral for me. GBP USD doing absolutely nothing here, guys. Nothing. Sorry for that little hiccup there. UJ also not doing much here. GJ also here. Asia highs struggling to hold. EJ. Okay, Chad, nothing yet. I'm scanning. My eyes are constantly going through the charts. I'm looking. Are we going to get something? I do believe we are going to get something here today, Chad. I'm very, very optimistic of a potential trade setup here today. And GU for me, I still feel is the cleanest, Chad. I still feel GU is the cleanest here. I'm liking this GU. I'm liking the GU trade. Gigs, I'm just going to peek quick. I'm going to throw over to your screen.
No, sure, brother.
The guy that said who else also buying gold? You guys, SMC. Who said who else is buying gold?
I don't know what's going on here.
Bro, no. Not SMC. We are STC traders. Not SMC. Myself and Keegan, we've developed a concept called STC. You can ask the guys in the chat that have been trading it for a while. Yeah, how long does a withdrawal take? It's my first time withdrawing with Vault Markets. Vault Markets or Vault Funders shouldn't take longer than 2 to 3 hours. Do you trade EuroCAD? No, Pablo King. Fundings, I'm SMT. Yeah, I'm STC. You can ask the guys what's STC. It's a newly developed strategy. I'm on that. There you go. I'm on that STC trading. STC sounds like something you don't want to catch on a weekend. Actually, you want to catch it on a weekend. That is where you yeah. STC. STC with the BB plus and the BB minus. But I'm just gonna pick kicks. Check it out.
See, I'm trying to fix the little price bar there, Chad. Alright, we'll leave it there. Chad, I must be honest with you, I haven't even missed trading the MPs. So, ooh, Nasdaq holding this. Remember, guys, you said either if we don't break there, minimum we have to hold the daily pivot. So, Nasdaq doing that. US 30 also done it. Because on the 4 hour, it's still looking good for that move. Next 4 hour is at 11. So we know this, so we're waiting for you with gold, guys. We're all. We're waiting for these longs
Who's that
here.
SMC guy buying gold, Keegan?
We're waiting for these buys.
Who's that SMC guy that said was buying
STC.
gold? No, the trading ward is wat is STS? Etienne, ek ja, laat weet my STS, no stop loss, STC. The heck is STC? Basic explanation of STC. Yen with all these mini interventions are crappy. What's the setup you're looking at? Conrad. The setup I'm looking at, and here's the thing though. If we cannot reject the weekly R1, we all know it is gonzo for GBP USD. Then this thing is going to run to the weekly R2, which is all the way up here. Because then it's going to trend. For those of you that don't know, it is a concept, not even a concept, it's just data observation. If we start trading through resistance pivots, then we're going to trend. So I'm looking for the potential pullback, because if you go back, we never really tested the weekly pivot. So we started off the week straight up to the weekly R1, and the weekly pivot is untested. This level right here is untested, so there's still some room for a pullback. And if the 80 can stay below the 200 and we can reject this weekly R1 and we can start trading below here, I can start looking for a short. Otherwise, this thing is going long. And so yeah, that is the idea. The other idea is that if we come back and we retest and we hold this weekly R1, I'm going to go long. I just need the 80 then to go bullish. So very simple for me. Two-edged sword, and then this level is where I'm going to monitor EU as well. But the thing with EU is look how thick this buying volume is above the 200. So the buying volume is quite thick on EU. And then gold, yeah, nothing here on gold for me. Gold is in a little bit of a no man's land for me. I would love to, if I was going short, I would love to short it from here, this zone up here. And then if I'm going to long it, I wouldn't necessarily long with the 80 being so bearish currently. Remember, I'm bearish on the weekly. So this for me is in line with my bearish outlook. But then also, yeah, I don't know, Keeks, you also bearish on gold, eh? Or
Bullish.
bullish?
But I
okay.
have, if we break these lows, I have sells.
Caden, I don't know why they're rejecting your documents. Are your documents, are they originals? There's the only reason they will reject your documents is if your documents are falsified or they're not original, or the copies are not certified by the police or a commissioner of oath. So that is declining my files. That's the only reason. As long as you're not STD. Smart Tolistrat. Hey. From Namibia, I have pretty much good understanding after watching your channel for 2 months now. Beautiful, brother. Namibia, beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful place. As mentioned, did a very nice project there. On your way to Gobabis. As you go on your way to Windhoek, you turn left. So spent quite a bit of time in Windhoek and Namibia. Beautiful, beautiful place. Chris and Keegan, do you need garden service? No. Unfortunately not, brother. RSI and MACD showing bearish divergence on GBP, USD, on hourly. Okay. 80 state. Bought by, yes, 80. SMC boys on an attack here. I caught that sell, Chris. Booked R9, 312 profit. Oh, 9,000 profits. What short did you catch, my brother? Let me know what short you caught. Short on gold. Alright, the trading ward. Beautiful. Thanks, brother. Trade safe. See you in the next one. Coincidentally, there's actually a shaft trend cycle STC. No, man. No, man. Everything is in place. I made sure about it before I sent. But even my withdrawals keep. Caden, it is weird. Send me a screenshot on Instagram. I think you're one of the few people that have their stuff declined. Yeah, I don't know. The only time ever a broker will decline a withdrawal is if your KYC docs are not up to date. Oh, enter the sell from 29. Beautiful. Half round number. Nice. Very, very nice, my brother. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Yeah, you are done for the session. Don't give back anything, brother. Don't give back anything. You made your day. You took your piece of the pie. Now go and enjoy your day. If you are working a 9 to 5, go and kill that job. Put in some extra hours. Make a difference where you're at. As I always say, if you are gone for a day, 2 days, 3 days, and nobody even knows you're away, that's a problem. That's an issue. Good morning, Chris. I tried to purchase one and the money was taken from my account, but it's saying unpaid on the dashboard. Kishkan Eddie, do me a favor, please email support@vaultfunder.trade. We will get it sorted for you. And in your email, just drop your order number and that will be sorted. So don't stress. A lot of times, especially crypto, the gas fees are quite high. So on the back end, it shows that the order is incomplete. But the order is actually complete. It's just the payment, less gas fees show less than the actual. So maybe you paid with crypto, if I'm not mistaken, but we will sort you out. No stress, my brother. Chris, is it maybe because my bank statement got... How does your bank... Should I send it again and wait for them? Caden, you need an official bank statement. So you need to go onto your internet banking and get a stamped a bank statement verifying. The other reason it could be is that the address on your bank statement and the proof of address that you sent is maybe not the same. But that shouldn't really be an issue. So I think it's something to do with your bank statement is not verified. Or it's not in your name. Just make sure, because remember the Anti-Money Laundering Act prevents people from... you can't... For instance, Keegan can't trade on his account and then post my banking details for withdrawal to withdraw it into my account, because then you're laundering money. Why are you not withdrawing it to your own bank account? So there's definitely something from a compliance perspective they're not happy with. Yeah, send it again, my brother. Send it again. Alrighty, Chad. 1 hour in, markets are dead. Markets are dead. I'm expecting the next explosive move here on GJ. EJ, beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get that test. Let's see if we can get that test to hold here. This thing is looking very, very bullish, EJ. Let's see if we can get that test. Start locking it into EJ. I want to see a test of this level, Chad. I want to see it. I want to see it come into this level. Test it. And then something like that. I don't want it there. I'm not going to take it there. I want it to test on the level. On the weekly. This is the weekly. No, that's the daily R1. Weekly R1 is there. I want it to test there. If it doesn't test there and it runs, I'm fine with that. I'm not going to go for a half-baked entry on this. And gold, weirdly enough, Chad, I might look for a very aggressive short here if we continuously reject this level. I might look for a very aggressive short. We've seen that with gold up until 11, 12 o'clock. It will trend. And this could just be the pullback. So we could go for another low. Also looking left, 23.45. Big level. This is where we consolidated yesterday. And then later the afternoon we had that explosive move to the upside. Are we doing something here? Same to the downside? I don't know. But we're going to be ready for it. I tried that because I was being audited, but then I used my Bitcoin account instead. Start a new challenge. Ruach, beautiful brother. Let's get it going. I will get another one, send it, wait for the feedback. All right, just let me know, Caden. We're here to help you. Do not think. Here's the thing: don't think that the compliance department or the FICA department is trying to be difficult. The thing is, they get into trouble if they approve documents that are not according to standard. Because when the broker gets audited by an external compliance officer, then you can lose your license, Chad. So it's all fun and games till a broker loses its license due to gross negligence when it comes to legal stuff. So never ever think that what a broker is doing is unnecessary. It's all to do with the reporting standards that we need to adhere to. And to stay compliant as a financial services provider. Otherwise, it's just a free for all, and then there's no protection for the client or the broker. That is why we have regulation. That's why you cannot trade with a broker like Raja Banks, Dominion Markets. Completely unregulated. Bought a license somewhere on a small island that's the size of my backyard, and and then saying you a regulated broker, that is very funny. I have cells, brother. I'm looking at the cells, but if we cannot get below here, it is a bad day to be selling this. So just be very, very careful. The longer we stay above this level, the harder it's going to get to go short. So I'm just saying, be very, very careful if you're shorting here. Looking at Euro, Euro still needs to go to the weekly R1, but be very careful. Dollar index also now starting to break below that key level. So, fines are huge on FICA as well. Dude, it's that's the thing. You can't play with these things. You cannot take chances. What about BTC? I've opened a buy position. Like we said, we're bullish on Bitcoin. It's just forget the timeline. Just buy every dip and wait for the rip. This is very bullish, and we talked about a potential pullback to year, but this is the yearly R2. So most probably now that we've held the yearly R2, next up we're going to 80,000, 81,000. So clip this, put it in a little reel and say, Chris Market Bull said we are going to $80,000 because we're holding above the R2, which is at 62,695. And we can use that as marketing, and then we'll maybe even start a crypto course. Once we're in that bull run, we will become crypto specialists. And then all of you come back to this video on the 28th of May, where Chris Market Bull said average in. But he also said that this is not financial advice. Please seek advice from your financial advisor before making any financial decision. Trading is risky and you can lose part or all of your funds. Therefore, make sure that you use prudent risk management. But if you are a degen, just dollar cost average into Bitcoin and wait for that $80,000 to hit. Disclaimer just quickly there. Sorry, Keegs.
Let the guys know our secrets there, bro.
Okay, dollar index still around us there. Chad, I don't know. I want to trade. Don't think I'm not here. Nasdaq doing a number here, staying above the daily pivot. I do want to trade. Don't think I don't want to trade. It's just I need a setup. Alrighty, I'm gonna just set this here. Do you trade oil? No. I just put oil in my car, but I don't trade it. Thought you were gonna say set and forget. No. Set and forget.
Chris is like a set and do not forget.
No. You never forget. Chad, gold. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. I'm gonna go short potentially. Keeks, you still looking long, eh?
I've got my 2 zones, so if we break
Chad, I might
these lows, if we take those lows, I'm selling. So if we get a close underneath 23.41, I'll sell.
Chad, no pullback here. Yeah, it's actually not okay. Okay. No pullback. Beautiful. Alright, so that is missed from me. I just wanted a little bit of a pullback, chat, purely due to the fact that we are 10 minutes into the new hourly candle, and the hourly candle took the previous hourly high, and yeah. Anyways, so there she goes. Maybe we'll get stuck in with Keeks here at 23.40. What is GU doing? Let me just focus here quickly. Let's focus here. Okay, GU starting to pause here. But here's the thing, chat. If the bears are going to step in, they're going to need to do something very quickly here. We cannot hover around this level and not go short. And very simple for me, we've got a little... yeah, I'm going to short down here, Chad. It's only 6 pips lower than where we are now. But then we are going to trade below this little structure level here. And we're also going to trade below that 200 EMA. I might even wait for something like this to happen. A break, a retest. And then on that failed retest, I'm going to short. So just be ready for the shorts on GU. I don't know why I want to say EU. Gold, yeah, I think we missed gold. Reason I wanted to short this is the 80 is bearish. I'm bearish on the day. 23.45 couldn't get back above that. You can see I mentioned it. Previous day we had a lot of consolidation, then explosive move to the upside, and again I said I'm expecting that explosive move to the downside. My mouse struggling to keep up with my brain here today. So yeah. I've got a feeling Keegan's going to get one of those trades where he just sat here, didn't do much, and it's like, oh, Chad, I'm short here. All right, Chad, I'm break even. All right, Chad, see you at 3. One of those boring ass easy winners, not fighting for it. I've got a feeling.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Jaden Furry, it is called I'm gonna show you now. My first time watching you guys. Tu Buja, Tabuja, Keeks, your people, great work here. Oh no, okay, I stay in P in a street right behind Vault Markets building. Okay. Tabuja, I thought you taking the piss out of us with that name, because yeah, I don't know, bro. We're going to need to do some Indian classes as well. Chris, what's the name? So it's Tunzi Lodge. Tunzi Lodge, and it's the... Oh, there it is. There's that little unit we stayed in. Little hot tub. I think I told you guys, this thing was... You could have made soup in it. I stacked that thing with so much fire. It's a stargazing dome. There it is. Pretty cool little deck area, little fireplace, this wood fired. There's the showers. My wife took a bath there, and bro, did I not shower naked? Yeah, the next I was like, I want the full experience. I used everything there was to use. I used the outside shower. I used this thing to the max, the little fireplace, had a braai there. So yeah, Tunzi Lodge, I think it is 4.5K a night, if I'm not mistaken. I got it for 3.2. Yeah, 3.2. Yeah, I got it for 3.2. That's the winter rates. But there you go, Chad. Yeah, we didn't get these girls with though, unfortunately not. Yeah, these girls were not there. Bro, there's another Indian guy in the chat, Kicks. Carl James LLC.
Ow. Hey, brother.
Hey, the brethren. Chad, yeah, look at gold. Unfortunately, a little bit slow on this. Not really slow. I just wanted a tiny little pullback. Keeks, what are you doing, my brother? You should be short already.
Chilling, bro.
You should have been in the shorts already.
No, now he needs to hold his resistance.
Oh, okay.
Bro.
All right. DXY, okay, Chad, as mentioned, this is the only thing that's important to us this morning is 104 on DXY. So after that, things are going to start being clean cut. GU still liking the shorts below the weekly R1. UJ, nothing much there. We just have the half round or the round number up there. GJ. And then EJ.
Guys, I'm just saying for everyone, when we said we wanted a retest on NASDAQ of the daily pivot, and the NASDAQ took off.
Sorry guys. Chris was definitely engaging in STC, yes. Chris was sitting crom. No, that tub is actually big, bro. That tub is lacquer. Keeks, must you still teach Carl James the STC concepts?
STC. Yeah, bro, he's been quiet.
Chris, are you still wearing the slippers? Nah, bro, those slippers. Yo, listen, yeah, weird thing. So I booked us for whatever a baboon came to keep you company. I'll fight the baboon, my bro. But listen, yeah, on Friday when we were at the spa, and obviously that was a 3XL robe. And I was making coffee there. I'm standing in the robe and I'm making coffee, and the lady comes and she's like, "Hey sir, here's a key for if you..." No, firstly she asked me, "Are you comfortable in the robe?" And I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good. And she's like, no, but really sir, are you comfortable? And I'm like, are you asking me that because this robe is too small? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, no, I like it this small. But anyways, and then we had the two ladies that were doing the treatments come to us, and it's like, hey, our names are X, Y, and Z. We want to just introduce ourselves. We will be the ladies doing the treatment. And then I laughed. Then they give you the opportunity to get onto the bed. And my wife said, do you think they're standing outside, rock, paper, scissoring, like who takes the big dude and who takes the lady? Because there was a lot of body that had to be massaged. So I would gladly pay the summer rate if the girls are included. Forex Insights looks like a bit of a inside out today. Yeah, it is looking just very rangy. It is looking rangy. Let me see. Boss lady kom luister die boela wil sweet. What kind? Lol. Okay. Nas taking off. Yes, I just watched Rolio's vid on Andile. Never expected the furuness. Who's Andile? I don't even know. EJ making a move up. Lol, Nas gave no entry. Axiyim. I did not receive the email to send my request until now. Sorry, brother. What is that for? I only know about the STD. Carl James, STC, something we've been developing now. Smart Tolly concepts. Works very well if you are married. So for the guys that are not married, not a concept that you should be involved in. So Etty is calling it now. Smart Tolly Diver. Chad. Wagwan in Sidonia. Chad, there gold goes. Damn, bro. Who took the gold short? Who took the gold short? We made it very clear. Weekly bearish, daily bearish. Who took the gold short? In gold. Beautiful, Matthew. Beautiful. As mentioned, I was expecting something similar. Maybe we even get a retrace all the way up here. Keegan is waiting there. Keeks, 30 seconds, I think, for you, my brother, to... I don't know, is that a 15 or a 5? 15. Chad, so Keegan is one of those guys that sell low and buy high. So he's just waiting for this rejection. And then my boy is going to go short on this. GU. This is also the daily flip zone. Very interesting. Daily flip zone. What is the 4 hour doing? Alright. 38 minutes for this 4 hour to close. The best scenario for me on the 4 hours, if this 4 hour can close below here, that is going to be our best scenario. The 4 hour can close something like this. Beautiful, Chad. Otherwise, this thing can still go much higher. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. If we cannot trade away from here, this thing is going higher. Yay. Nah, bro. Carl, Keeks, just check the chat. Oh, Keeks, just check.
What's our boy going on about?
The VPK. Oh, no. Nah, bro, that is mad. That is mad, bro. Out of all the... Nah, I'm done. VBK. Yo. Are we gonna get a trade? Nah, Chad, you guys are, bro. VPK. Now I've seen it all. Just when you thought you've got the strat down, the boys hit you with the VPK strat. Just a bad day to be a strategy. Chad, yesterday we were at the new offices. We are starting to brainstorm the set. We're gonna do something very similar, or not similar. We're gonna do something like this. Obviously that's gonna look a lot better than this, but the same structure more or less. What am I dyslexic here this morning? So we're gonna do something like this, not as small. Our studio is gonna be a little bit bigger. but we're gonna do the podium, and just mute that. So yeah, we're gonna do something similar to this V-shaped as well, and the beauty of it is it's gonna double up as a set for the podcast. There's some additional shows we're gonna be launching. Ed is gonna be one of the hosts for one of the shows we're gonna launch. We've got Shaquille coming in as well. So we've got a lot of content creators. We're chatting to Miles as well. We're gonna chat to Miles. So there's a lot of content that's gonna be pushed out of the studio. And the beauty of it is we're gonna, for the live trading, we will be on set as well. And when we do a podcast or when we do a show, we're actually just gonna take the screens off the table. And that's the idea. We're gonna build something like this 2G studio, basically gonna double up as everything, and have the screens, have like the nice lighting, have the rigs, all of that. So that's gonna be a dope studio. So we actually sat yesterday, but yeah, we are honestly taking this YouTube thing now to the next level. And oh damn, oh damn, oh damn. Nee, ek moet nog huis toe ry, sorry chom. Nee, ek kan nie nou onder die invloed. Oh damn, Chad. Holy.
Alright guys, nearly ready to take the cells there on gold.
Holy. Chad. Okay, let's see. Okay, remember, it's not gone. It's not gone. Relax. We said this is actually what we wanted. All we want now is that beautiful retest here of Asia lows, and we are good. That's all we want now. There's the weekly R1. There's a lot of room here. Don't stress. We didn't miss anything here. We didn't miss anything. Guys, does anyone know how to trade different pairs with Volt? I'm only able to trade. Okay. And CJ apparently is now trading KPS. What is that? I don't even want to know. I'm setting myself. What is the KPS? The international viewers are lost. Hey. What lighting will you have, Pula? No, just our standard lights. We've got these umbrella lights. We've got that little dome. And I think we'll get 2 LED panel lights as well. Yeah, Carl, you guys are... Sure. Keeks, are you in the shorts yet on gold?
No, not yet.
Keeks is waiting for that retest. 2 more minutes and Keegan will be in the shorts. You will hear Keegan say, alright, Chad, I am going short here. Stop loss there. Take profit. So get ready, guys. Am I right in saying that guys need to get ready, Keeks?
Yeah, so far looking good.
The Chad, guys, Chad. The amount of you guys using the P word here.
Gee. Chad just going in here.
The Chad. All right, guys. I'm gonna set some alerts here at GBP USD Asia lows. I'm gonna let you guys know, but I think Keeks is ready to execute. So I'm gonna throw over to his screen, and we're gonna chat a little bit about the studio. If you guys have some ideas, I've got an idea. So I'm gonna come back to you guys now with that idea. Somebody that can share a studio idea and maybe one that we choose, we'll do a giveaway. So any ideas that you guys have, can only share the best idea. Even if you want to do some type of rendering or whatever, we're going to do a giveaway for you guys. But I'll see you guys now. Keeks, over to you, my brother.
We're ready, Chad. All depends how this candle's gonna close. Brother, you will know when we go short. As I say, just gotta wait here. Okay, I can't take that chair. That's a close above. I can't take that. Yeah. Nothing for me here, Chad. Needed to at least close below. DXY is starting to move to the top side. Sure, at least 5 burp dolls. Damn, Chad. Chad getting rough here this morning. It's going up. Jonathan, I can do that, bro. Have a proper opening bell, have studio games you can play, have bulls and bears paintings or structure. Yeah, no, those are quite the basic ones you've already thought of. But yeah, we want to make it entertaining. The joys when you have like your own compound, your own property, you can do what you want with it. So yeah, really can play around and make it something special now. DXY. Nah, it's closed above, so I couldn't take it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do it, Keegs.
Man, starting those games over here now.
You can do it, Keegan. Chad, okay. GU, get ready, get ready.
What are you doing on GU?
I'm just waiting for the Asia low retest. Remember the weekly R1? 4 hours, also going to close in the next. Chad, there we go, 26 minutes. 26 minutes for us to potentially get a position, or we're not going to get a position and this thing is just going to run away. Alright, what did I miss here in the chat? There's a lot of Tolly systems, pillar. There's a lot. Who's attacking me here from behind? Somebody's attacking me. Thanks so much. Shorts on gold, not yet. At least 5. Chad, I don't know. There's a lot of horrific strategies in the chat here. Have a proper opening bell. Have studio games you can play. Have bull and bear paintings or structure. Beautiful. Ian, send us some pictures, my brother. I'm actually having a call with not an interior decorator, but somebody. Keeks, you've seen the Cape Town office.
Oh, yeah.
I'm chatting to the person that was responsible for that office today.
Do we also get like 30 TVs?
That's the reason I'm phoning that person, because that person is also connected to the money. So
Yeah. Guys,
So
I swear,
play-
that's like anywhere you look, there's like 3 TVs.
Put up a wall of scammers. Yeah, we're gonna Chad, here's the thing. We want to push a lot of content. We've
Wall of scam.
Wall of scammers, Chad. That's also maybe one we can do. That is actually
That's like the wall of shame and the wall of fame.
y'all moving to no, bro. Never. We're bringing Cape Town to P. One of the first pieces of Cape Town we're bringing is Shaquille Samai pole dancers. Oof, Etty, you just want to get us in trouble here this morning, my bro. Just a lot of trouble.
He's there on his own mission, bro. He's on his side quests
Bro,
over there.
he is ruthless today. Etty is just a menace to society. Okay, EJ chat, there we go. Okay, we've got two things to monitor here. Gold, I considered missed for me. Gold for me is chalked. EJ now, okay, there we go. There's that test of the level. Okay, what do we want to see now? We want to see a reversal play. We want to see this break structure back to the upside, because if you look at this is still printing bearish order flow. So even though it's very overlapping, this is still bearish order flow, chat. It's still breaking lows. So this thing can do this for hours, for days, for months. This could be like that first fight in your marriage. You think it's over in a day? No, chat, that can go on for 2 weeks.
That's just getting warmed up.
Yeah, you're thinking, yeah, at day one. You're like, nah, bro, she's going to come back and say no. Nah, bro, 2 weeks, ask me. 2 weeks on the couch, something's got to give. And that is what's happening, yeah. But coming back to the studio, chat, I'm very excited for it. We want to do something. I've said it so many times, for every single person we get into the office, and I'm monitoring the trades, don't stress. Go look at Barstool Sports. Not as dirty. They've got a very dirty studio. Barstool Sports studio tour. Go and watch this. I'm going to drop it in the chat. $20 million. Jeez. Okay. But yeah, it's literally 3 minutes long. You guys can go and check it. I want to do something like this, but for trading, for investing. And they just have a beautiful facility. Barstool. Don't think of how dirty it is behind the scenes. My anxiety won't be able to handle that. But ideally, this is the vision, this is the dream. And the idea is it's not just us here in the office. We want to build a team. We want to, for instance, Shaquille joining. Everybody has got a segment, something that they do, something that they bring towards the table, and you build a big content hub, Chad. That is what we are thinking. If the guys in America can do it, why can't we do it? We've said it so many times, Keeks. What makes the US guys different to the South African guys? Is it mindset? Obviously, location. They're in their country is a lot bigger than ours, but GBP is on the move. It is. Question is, how do we get involved? Yeah. You may as well consider satellite TV station. I got the connection. No. We don't want to. Here's the thing. We don't want to become too commercial. We still want it to be very authentic and raw, but yeah. Wall of Scam, yeah, bro. We will definitely do Keeks. We will have a segment, the Wall of Scam, and we will basically review all of the stuff, and then it will be like, we'll print a photo and it's like, A, B, and C is now officially on the, almost like Top Gear. Remember when they had that wall for the cars?
Oh, yeah.
And it's like underrated, overrated, whatever, and the car would go on the wall. A candlestick light, bro. That could be dope. A candlestick light. Their mentality, 100% total trader. I do think they've got a very big mindset in terms of they don't do anything small. Yeah, that Barstool studio is disgusting. Yeah. The thing is, the behind the cameras, it's mad disgusting. But in terms of the actual sets, they've got some very, very cool gear. Yeah, bro. My wife, if our studio had to look like the Barstool one,
Yeah.
Chad, I told you my wife is militaristic. She likes stuff clean, like organized. Bro, she would tell me, listen, yeah, you guys, I want you guys out of the studio for 2 to 3 days. She will go in with a team there. We'll come back and then she'll give me like notice to say, if I come back here in 2 weeks and this place looks like Barstool Sports Studio, you better not be around because I will beat the shit out of you. My wife is, there you go, Chad. That is why we say you wait for a shift, because we mentioned the order flow was still bearish. Order flow was still super bearish. Kiggs, are you excited for the new studio?
I'm flipping excited for it, bro.
Content machine. My fiance is the same, Chris. Bro, Monday to Sunday. Don't think because it's a Friday evening, it's like, oh, we're just gonna let the dishes chill there. No. Then she slaps you with the, we are not pigs. Pigs don't live here. It's like, yo, it's Friday. I don't care what day it is. We're not gonna leave the dishes like this. And I'm like, sure, okay. Need a pull-up bar for stop losses hit. Damn, bro. My back could get very strong. Okay, guys, listen here. The budget is not infinite, eh? We struggle to get all of this gear over a year's time. Now you guys are talking about gyms and everything. We would love that. We would love that, but I can see it, guys. I'm going to be part of the team. I'll have my own segment. Beautiful, brother. We want people that are willing to be part of the team. And OCD and ADHD, what a combo, bro. It is a horrific combo, but we make it work. We've been together for 18 years. That is where you can see the grace and the mercy of God, that we are still together. That is purely grace. That's not even, I can't even take credit for that. I told my wife, we laughed when we were there over the weekend on Friday, and I said, listen, you know what? I think both of us are just too stubborn to have given up on this marriage. Otherwise, if we weren't as stubborn, and if we weren't, how can I say it? We hate losing, me and my wife. If we were happy to lose, we would have already gotten divorced. But it's that thing of, fuck that, we're not going to lose. Not beating the statistic when it comes to marriage is losing. Parker Ducati in the studio. Yes, Chad, you guys act like we are multi-millionaires here. We're still just regular dudes trying to make a young bag here with you guys. So have someone do the Asian sessions. Asian sessions have been moving a lot. Madness, we could definitely if somebody, I don't know how, because I can't ever see Keegs.
Yeah.
I can't ever see somebody saying, hey, I'm gonna come to the studio every day 2 o'clock. Like, yeah.
Yeah, no, I also don't. I'd also not be rude about it, guys, but we're not going to just let some stranger also randomly do it. Leaving all that equipment with them.
Yeah, not even the equipment. It's just who are you letting? Because here's the thing, Chad. You guys are our community, and it's our responsibility to protect you guys as a community. So it's not like what. Again, I've said it so many times. What we do here is not a by the way thing. It's not a by the way thing where we pitch up and it's like, oh, by the way. Oh, I'm taking a short here. It's we take it seriously.
This Pharaoh Marcus that always wants to talk about Asia sessions, but barely rocks up for New York.
Bro, this man.
Hey.
Chris, I just need to go and do this. Chris, I need to. Then he wants to do Asian session as a baby on the way.
I was going to say, we can have this conversation again. Literally, like, what's it, 3 months? When the baby's here, they never can have that conversation again. Jev's gonna never be here for New York, guys. He's gonna be sleeping on the couch.
Bro, this man does not know what it is to have children. This man does not know what is waiting for him. How much did we move from here? 9 pips, okay. Better make an overnight room. Chad, the beauty of it is even what we're doing here was just a vision, and I'm not necessarily somebody that believes in manifestations and all of that, but I do believe that everything gets conceptualized in the mind, and as you think about that conceptualization, you start taking action towards it. And exactly how everything we've been doing here has just been like an idea when we started. And even the podcast, all of that, the new studio as well, we've got so many ideas conceptualized. And for us to see that coming to fruition as well, that's also going to be now the next step of the journey. That taking it now to the next level where it's like, okay, we've been operating at a certain level. Can we now step it up to the next level? And not even based on location. It's not that we do not have the ability to do YouTube well. It's not that we do not have the ability to do live streaming well. No. There's nothing stopping us from doing it big and doing it massive and doing it very well. So I'm very, very excited for the next chapter of what we are doing here. Keegs, okay, so we've got Shaquille, we've got myself, we've got you. Who else would you like to have in the studio? And we've got Ed, so we've got Ed as well. Ed is also gonna again, guys. Forex Insights SA. Please go and give them a follow. Let me actually punt my boy Ed here for a minute. Ed is joining us as well. Ed, very good speaker, very good person just in general. So Ed will also be joining us. So who else, Gigs? Miles, we still need to chat to. We're potentially gonna get Miles on as well.
Sure.
I feel like we're building a very strong team.
We're building the dream team, bro.
Chad, we are building a very, very strong team here. One more person. We've got Jev, Mr. SMC. I want to trade Asia session while I've got a newborn
Mr.
baby.
Conspiracy.
Mr. Conspiracy. Being a first-time parent is so easy. I can also trade Asia session and not be tired. Yo, Jev, I love that. That's what I love, the enthusiasm. Forex, is it Forex trading? Forex Insights SA. Forex Insights SA. 170, beautiful. Bruh, I have to say Ed's thumbnails are starting to... He's starting to look like a YouTuber, Chad. Beautiful. Chad, let's give Ed a follow there, guys. Please, let's support the fellow Chadonians. Let's go and subscribe to Ed's channel. It has been here from the start. It has been a legend. So yeah, let's get. Oh, what did our BTC fly, sir? Is BTC flying now? Alright, BTC is flying as my... I don't know if that's flying yet, but yeah, we will keep a close eye on it. Chris, if you need help building the studios, I'm in. We built Bay TV, Urban Brew Studios, and a few church broadcast rooms. Hey, Jeremy. Yeah, the only thing is I don't think we can afford you. We're gonna DIY a lot of this stuff, so it's gonna be a lot of churning and burning, and you're gonna see me, Keegan, Javen, Mo, that first weekend breaking out some of the cupboards there. So there's gonna be a lot of intensive. We're gonna build that thing with our hands, Chad. Keegs, you ready, brother?
I'm ready, brother. Gonna take my anger out, break some shit.
Chad, we're literally gonna build that thing ourselves. Not everything, but we're gonna. When we sit there, it's gonna be like, boys, this was our labor that went in here, our sweat, our blood and tears. We built this studio. You know that song, We Built This City?
Except we built the studio.
We built this studio. If she doesn't know that song, We Built This City, she's too young for you, bro. Way too young for you. We family. Hey, Jeremy. I'm definitely going to chat to you. Appreciate it, Chad. Liesel. Wait. What did Liesel say? Morning, Chad. I hope you all caught those EU shorts. Hey. Liesel, talk to us. EU shorts from Asia Highs, or where did you short from? Give me a date, I'll come down from Cape Town and lay hands on it. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, thanks, Jeremy. I will, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, and may this next journey be blessed, Chad. May it really just go from strength to strength. But we are very excited. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a training room, but everything these days are done online anyway, so
all good things come to an end.
Yeah, the thing is, we chatted about it, and our training room, how many times did we use this training room? Think about it. 4 times, 5 times?
I think we watched F1 more in there than we actually used it for training.
Yeah, so 30% of your floor area for a training room that's maybe used once every 2 months. And it just doesn't make sense. And that's why we'll rather take that area for a studio. And again, yeah, we're gonna multi-purpose a lot of what we do, because purely due to the fact we only have so much camera, so much mic, so much sound desks. But again, also to make it very easy to shoot content. So if Keegan wants to do a podcast 1 o'clock today, it's literally nothing changes. You take the screen off the table and things are set. Oh, beautiful, Liesel. Beautiful, beautiful. White Rabbit caught the GU shorts in longs now. Bro, how are you in longs now? Caught the shorts and then into longs. Okay, here we go, Chad. Here's that retest. Now we're just going to wait for the retest and... Gigs, you are bearish on the dollar, eh? Or bullish?
I was bearish.
Bearish.
But I expected a dollar push in London.
Okay. Chris, you should make your screens like the F1 screens dropping down from the roof. Gigs, that's actually an idea.
That is.
Hanging from... what we were thinking was, myself and Gigs had a chat, was to do something where I'm going to try and draw this 3D dimensional now. I don't know, my isometric skills might let me down, yeah. It's been many years since doing technical drawings. But let's say, I want to try and give this some perspective for you guys, but let's say we want to build something on the actual desk. Now I need to just make sure. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be shorter. Yeah.
Show us those engineering skills there, bro.
Damn, bro, my brain is chalk now. But anyways, chat. So let's say you're sitting behind, or this is the little box for the screen. Sorry, this actually needs to drop lower, something like that. Yeah, that's why my brain was chalk now. We want to build something almost in the table, so there's glass over it. So you've got your screen. Why is this still looking chalked? Anyways, so you've got your screen in here on an angle, so that when you actually sit, you can look at your screen and there's nothing obstructing the camera. But then we chatted about it and we said ergonomically, how's your neck gonna feel looking down all the time? Kicks, would you rather look up or down at a screen?
Most probably up.
Up. So it's just the thing of ergonomics, Chad. How can we make sure that we can still see you guys on the live stream? Because remember, then the morning, let's call it the opening bell, is going to be from that studio. And yeah, we still have some stuff to figure out. All right, here we go. But yeah, we are open to what you guys want. That is ultimately who we... Do you guys know the Sidemen? Check their Sidecast, Side Plus Studio. Keegs knows the Sidemen. He actually loves them. Keegs, Sidemen.
Yeah. We can actually check that option out as well.
Sidecast. Oh, that actually looks sick. Have you seen it?
I don't know if it's what I'm thinking of.
I don't want to put it on the screen. Yeah, that actually looks dope. Where's that overview of the... okay, wait, guys, I want to show you the thumbnail there. That looks pretty dope.
Oh, yeah.
Chad, my only question is... Oh, bad day to be a coffee. Wait. My only question is, what do we do with the screens when we're live streaming? Or do we just change the camera angles?
We're going to have to make a plan. That's the old set. Check the new one, which looks like a plane. Oh, so that's the old one, bro.
But even the old one looked dope, eh? Who gave us that idea? King Shaq. Is King Shaq not the brother that says he's also joining the team?
He does. And then he's, I don't know.
King Shaq, when are you coming down, brother? King Shaq, when are you coming down, my brother? I believe you said that you are also going to join the team. I will let you know when the new studio is ready, my bro. Then we need to chat. All right, that's the Sidemen. Okay, let me quickly check the new one. Sidemen.
I can't find it.
Sidecast. New podcast set. A new one that looks like. Oh, okay. I'll check it. They actually. Chad, are you talking about this one? It looks like they're on a plane there, Kicks.
Wait, I need to see.
Sidemen Airlines.
Oh.
Bro, that's quite a clean set, eh?
Yeah.
Holy. Sidemen. I like this one more, if I'm honest.
Yeah,
I don't.
the other
The
ones-
plane. Yeah, the plane looks short. I like this. But we've got we're gonna build a beautiful set, Chad. It's gonna be beautiful. Tell us more stories about trading psychology. Hey.
Chris, so tell us about the day, bro. Where guys, a lot of guys don't know this story, but literally when Alsaby and Chris were having their first child, Chris actually like fainted because he was like, "Damn, like how am I gonna like pay like the bills for this?" And when he went in, he was like, "Oh shit, like I'm still in this trade." And he went in and he was like 2.5 mil like up in this trade. And that's where he was just like, you know what? It's a sign. It's a gift from the gods. Like, he's having a child. He's there. He's sorted.
That's when I fell and it opened 50 lots on gold.
Yeah,
and
biggest trade ever.
Yeah. Chad, very similar to Mamba FX. I just wasn't on YouTube then yet. But they were actually busy with my wife. And I was on TradingView. And it was actually at the market open. And then when they cut open a stomach, it was a cesarean. I fell over, and as I fell, accidentally opened up 50 lots. Also placed a take profit and a stop loss while I was falling. And by the time I got up, TP got hit, and it was 2.5 million rand. And that's what kickstarted the journey for me with having children.
Oh, so you know you can't look back on trading. It was a sign.
No, definitely. I still till this day see it as a sign, and yeah.
I was gonna say, guys, maybe don't go just have a baby, but your sign will come if you'll know that trading is for you.
We're expecting a sell. Yo. We are expecting nothing yet. We're going to expect what we see. And if we see something that's showing me rejection here, then potentially yes. But other than that, don't expect anything in trading. It's like expecting anything. Just don't expect anything. New offer still in P. Yes, brother. It is in P. It is gonna be it's gonna be a dope. Tell us more. That favor. That's one of the stories about trading psychology. Waiting for these GU longs to take off. Hey, GU longs. I think you've got a very strong case for the GU longs if we break back inside of the Asia range and we hold it. Otherwise, I think the GU longs maybe for now a little bit off the table. Trading is my best friend and worst enemy at the same time. James, we all know the feeling. I'll fly down whenever. King Shack. Chat, bro, just chat to me on, I don't even know if I've got you on Instagram. Just chat to me on IG. So we can keep you in the loop. 2 months later, everyone having babies, mistakenly falling 50 lots. For me, training psychology came with experience. The more robust your strategy, the better. It's difficult to be positive when you don't have a working model. 100% Liesel, because everything is unknown. You've got no... what do they call it? There's a name for it where you... I wouldn't even say cognitive bias to fall back on, but there's just nothing. It's just pain. When you enter a trade, the first thing you expect is pain, because that's all you've been experiencing as a trader. So you open up a trade, it's like, shit, when is the pain coming? While you're in a trade, it's like, how do I make the pain end? The only way to end the pain is to close the trade. Why do I want to close the trade? So yeah. Alright guys, I'm just waiting for 5 minutes here. I'm going to give it till 11:30 today. If by 11:30 no trade, we are going to call it. We still have some things to wrap up, but hopefully we can get this 5 minute to reject here. On the 4 hour, I quite like this. There's that rejection of the weekly R1. There's that nice little wick fill as an advantage point. As an advantage point. Say that 4 times quickly. And so yeah, GBP USD, only little trade we are looking at here. And in 1 minute, get ready. I'm going to execute short here. And let's see how she runs. What is DXY doing? DXY is at that 200 at the daily S1. Interesting. Anyways, chat, 38 seconds. We're gonna give it a go. Keegs, you happy with this? Okay, we're gonna give it a go. If it does not run away, still not. I wouldn't.
You can do it, Chris.
All right, Chad, we are not taking it. We are not taking it. I've told you. If Keegan says that, we're not taking it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm going to take it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. Chad took the shorts on the close of this candle. We are going with a 15 pip stop as per usual. And we are going for a target down here at this key level, 127.50. And yeah, let's see if we can make some bank here today, Chad. We've been waiting for this, and the beauty of it is if you waited for it and you see it, you need to execute on it. Bro, did this candle close bullish? What the flip? Let me just see 127.50. Chad, that's the weirdest thing on XNest. The 5 minute closed bullish. Oh, I'm on the 4 minute. Holy, Chad. We've been on the 4 minute. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Chad. We were trading 4 minute candles here. I was like, what the heck? But anyways, okay. For that reason, sorry, Chad. I was like, what is going on here? 4 minute charts is a hack. What I'm gonna say here. Okay, this is still valid. Holy Chad, apologies for that. I was like, what the heck? Why are we trading? Chad, sorry for that. Dude, I was so confused. Sorry, man.
Only my boy.
Dude, 4 minutes. It's because we want to do things so quickly. Yeah, okay, it's 5 minutes. Damn. All right, Chad. Still valid though. So if you haven't taken it, this is still a valid setup. We're gonna go break even here at the session lows. Hopefully we can get some volume there. And no bottom wick on this 5. I think was a tiny little bottom wick. I want to go break even here. That is the level where I want to go break even. That's the 4 hour. Let me just see where's the 4 hour low. 4 hour low is 127.62. That is a level that I think we can tap into very easily. So we're just going to give this 5 minutes some time to breathe. Hourly closing bearish as well. Okay. From a technical point of view and a price action point of view, this trade looks it looks very good. Actually want to get the notion ready so long. Where is the notion? Motion of the ocean. Is my notion open? Yeah. Sorry, chat. I just want to start journaling this trade so long. It is 11:11. That is, we executed. Shouldn't have actually executed. Yeah, but anyways, we are in. This for me is a sell reversal. If you go onto the Discord, this for me is the sell reversal, the bearish engulfing. Market structure A. So that is the one we are looking at here. That engulfing candle here, because we were pushing up, then we had the break, the retest, and then the engulfing. So let's see there, sell reversal, GBP USD, beautiful. EMAs are pushing bearish. 80 is also somewhat bearish. The daily bias, however, is bullish to neutral. But again, remember we said we are trading at a weekly R1. Haven't tested the weekly pivot, so that is why we're going against our daily bias. Weekly bias is also bullish, so please keep that in mind. Pivot, we are trading above the pivot, so the pivot could be the target for us to go and retest within the London session, and there we go. I will clip this and paste it once we're done with the trade. All right, Chad, beautiful. There we go. XNES, hey bro, we almost got stuck into XNES here today. All right, Chatadonia, let's see what we do here. 15-minute candle. How's the 15 gonna close? Beautiful. Okay, Chad, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pull my stop to 9 pips, just above this 15-minute structure there, just to reduce some of the risk. That is what I meant. I think it was a couple of not a couple of weeks ago, I think last week, when I said risk to reward is dynamic. So we've technically now increased our RR. I'm not the guy that's going to be like, oh, we made 4R because we managed the trade after we entered. No, but that's the thing. Risk to reward is dynamic. It's not a static thing. And if we didn't even have a stop loss, what is our risk to reward then? So I've reduced the stop to 9 pips, and what I want to see now is I want to see the next 5-minute candle start to break structure lower, something like this. Because what's going to happen now, if this next 5-minute candle does this, then we are going to start pushing to the upside, and the bearish order flow is done in the meantime. So we're going to need to see this current 5-minute candle do work towards the downside. Otherwise this becomes a failed lower high. That right there becomes a failed lower high, because from that lower high we didn't take out these lows. So that becomes a weak lower high, and price will target that high to take it out, because there was no strength in the sell momentum to the downside. So keep that in mind. 15 minute, how did the 15 close? 15 closing ab roller. All right. What is DXY doing? Okay, DXY rejecting daily S1. Okay, Euro. GJ. Two, 7, 6, 9. Okay. Trading is like ballet dancing. It forces you to break ligaments you never knew. F1 24 coming out today. I don't understand pivot and don't use them. Tell us pivot are doing in the market, or what is this guy. This dude, favor Shipolani, my brother. The pivot, very simply put, is the neutral point of the day. And if you go and check the formula for the pivot uses the previous daily high and low and the close divided by 3. That gives you the pivot point. The pivot point is considered the neutral point for the day, where bulls and bears are equally weighted, and it's a neutral point in the sense of both bulls and bears feel like they're getting a good deal on their trade. So it's like me and Keegan walking into a shop and there's a shoe for 500 Rand. Me and Keegan feel like 500 Rand is a fair price. That is exactly the same with pivots, and pivot points are points in the market that statistically calculated. They do not change. It's not lagging. The pivot points it's not a lagging indicator. It is predetermined from the previous day's data. So this point here is considered the equal point for the day, or the neutral point. The R1 on the 5-minute time frame is considered the extension target. If you are looking long, or if you are in longs, this is the level where you should think about reducing your size, because that is where the markets could start reversing. Ultimately the same with the S1, that is where markets could find support in the short term. Then the weekly R1s, the weekly pivots, we calculate on the 4-hour time frame. And they are also considered to be key levels in the market that we use on a higher time frame. So again, the weekly pivots also carry a lot of weight because they are based off the 4-hour time frame. So that is the idea around the pivots. If you want to go and look into the pivots, what you can do is go to Investopedia and type in pivot points. And Investopedia is going to give you the definition, how to calculate it, how to use it, and all of these beautiful formulas you can use, and then you actually know how they are calculated. Favor Shupulani, I think you are also the brother that was selling S&P 500 yesterday, and that was very rude. That didn't have any manners. So I hope your S&P 500 trade worked out, your shorts. Let us know how that went, if I'm not mistaken. So there you go. That is the pivots, very simply put. Not a lagging indicator, that's why I like it. It's not going to change through the entire day, already set. The reason why pivot points work is because a lot of the algos are set to use them. So they are used as reference points for algos. So because a lot of the algos are statistically driven, quantitative driven, so these points, that they always have some type of reaction, and I think it's due to the fact that these algos use that as a certain benchmark or certain interest points for them. So I'm not ICT saying that I've developed the algo that's used in the market, but
you in?
Oh.
She.
Before the pivot indicate, yeah, the calculation had to be used. And if you were wondering, the indicators that's on my charts, I use the accumulation distribution with moving averages, that's the 80. And then I use the EMA 20, 50, 100, 200. And then I use the pivot point standard. And the pivot point standard, let me just remove this. These are the settings for my pivot points. Traditional, auto, 10. Take a look at it now. Screenshot it. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And yeah, that is, what is your name again? Favor Shipolani. That is the pivot points. I hope that helps. And I hope you don't ever forget your manners again when you join the stream. First impressions last, my brother. Always remember that. And the first impression I had with you was not great yesterday. So
Did he do something again now?
No, not now. I'm just saying I'm giving him a second chance. But Chad, I'm going to break even here. But I'm just saying, do not ever be that guy. Alright, Chad, I'm break even on this trade. Why am I break even? The 15-minute flipped bearish again. So this 15-minute created a top wick, flipped bearish again, broke the previous 15-minute low right there. And now what I want to see is I want to see this 15 now start to drive lower. Because if this 15 hits this level down here, and it starts to flip back bullish again, then we've got some type of support here on the session lows. And what do we want to see at session lows? We want to see volume enter the market. We want to see an explosive move to the downside. If we don't get that, then obviously this trade is cuck. It's a cuck trade if there's no volume in it. So we've said it so many times. Cuck trades range. The good trades are the trades that just move. So if this thing's going to start playing here, then it's a cuck trade. And we are at least break even on this trade. And I'm just going to run to the toilet so we can check it. Hopefully, when I get back in 1 minute and 21 seconds, we are going to be trading here somewhere. And you guys are going to be like, W's in the chat. Look at that. Something like that. Let me just make it red before I go. 20 seconds. Let's just make it very red. That manifestation candle. Who believes in manifestation? There we go. There we go, Chad. Oh.
Manifestation coming out, yeah. Just chilling out here, Chad. Let's see. Our boys' candle is gonna pump there. Yeah, Chad, for me, gold still hasn't done anything, by the way. So I'm waiting for gold.
Still in.
You're still in there, bro.
In my bro. This thing does not want to let go, yeah. Bro, so when I walked out, like
Yeah.
because he went onto the stream, he's like, damn, what a move. I'm like, bro, I drew that candle. Here's the thing, Chad. I don't even feel bad if we get stopped at break even, because look at this. This lower high here, if we start ranging here, that's going to be a target. 100%. I can promise you, if we cannot get below here, something like this, 100% the next move is going to be something like this, where the early sellers are going to get absolutely humiliated. So that is why go break even. The 15 minute, the 30 minutes also going to close now, and the 30 minute, beautiful. So if the 30 minute can close below here, I'm happy with that. We still have some room to go down. Let's just do that. Let's clean it up a little bit. So I'm still happy with the trade. I'm not going to sweat over it if we get stopped out at break even. This trade was only up like, what is it, 3-4 pips, 4 pips, yeah. DXY also still ranging at these levels, so I do believe once we get a breakout here as well, it can start to run. Otherwise, that's going to be the rejection. Remember, I'm still bearish on the day, Chad. Only thing though is we no top wick, There's still a little gap here. Remember that little gapperino. Check here. Would you like some gapperino with your pips? No, I just want some pepperino. But anyway, let's see if this thing can do some work for the team. I do believe if we can start breaking here, Chad, you're going to see massive volume come in. That is if and when. If we can get below here, this is when price is going to start vibrating. you're going to see those spreads start to vibrate a little bit. And that that is when things start to get quite lacquer, when you see this thing start to penetrate the buyers. All right, Chris, calling that trade like a boss. Chris, my payment went through, but it's only given an error when I put add-ons. Okay. So it's the add-ons. Let me make a note here. We need to have a look at the add-ons then. Okay, let's see, what did I miss here? Before, okay, I use weekly and daily time frame, still holding, okay. Waiting for the 9K subs, bro. Can't wait for the 10K subs, but the 9K. Tina Settini, as many you feel necessary differs from person to person, you have to make that decision. Rest I use that, but instead using a traditional, I use a fib. Okay. I've never seen that, bro. So type a fib. Damn. Okay, let's see. Still looks the same though. Hasn't changed anything. What has changed? I don't think anything has changed. Traditional. Yeah, Chad, this is it's not a great setup. I think very likely we're going to get stopped at break even here. And I'm thinking that this is actually going to go higher, believe it or not. I actually think this is going to come all the way back here, Chad. Weekly R1. Yeah. So, yeah, don't even feel bad about that. It is struggling here. Not a great trade. If this trade was going to do work for us, I don't want to buy it here either. That's the thing. I don't want to buy it here either. If this thing was going to work out, we wouldn't have zigzagged like this. The zigzag here, we wouldn't have zigzagged like this. We would have already been trading lower. So terrible, terrible trade. Horrific. What is DXY doing? No volume. Yeah, DXY rejecting that 200, rejecting that daily S1. So very likely we're coming back down. Let's just check here. All right, gold holding that key level. Look at that, Chad. Key level holding like a boss. GU break even. EU holding back above the daily R1. Yeah, Chad. GU not looking great. UJ, okay, on its way to that 157, holding the daily pivot down here. GJ 242, still below there. Euro JPY, there you go. Euro making a deeper pullback and now starting to break above here. Would I have entered this trade here, Chad? I don't think I would have, and I'm going to tell you guys why. The reason for that is every single time we've broken above the level, we never held the retest. So why now, once we break above, will I now just execute there, seeing that we have not held a retest? So even though this is a reversal setup, if you go onto the education section on the Discord, you'll see that this setup is similar to this market structure B here, where you take out a lower high. So in this case, this failed lower high there, you take that out and you break above. So yeah, not a setup that I would have taken, if I'm very honest. And then gold. Yeah, God, I don't know, gold is just messing here. So let's see. 30 minutes.
You're still hanging on here, bro.
I told him now it's a cuck trade. Like it's not even a good trade. Yeah, we filled basically 80% of that wick, that 4-hour wick, and yeah. I feel like this would have shot down a lot quicker if this bearish 4-hour took out this high. But it didn't. So I don't think there's sufficient liquidity. But yeah, Chad. Nothing else I would have executed on 2, 7, 6, 8. Yeah. Yeah, bro, so much volume in the market at Keeks. GU
I
has
just don't know what to do with the markets.
GU has moved 2 pips from the daily open, Chad. So that is 2 pips, 2.2 pips. This entire daily candle is, I think, 11 pips. Oh, 20 pips. So volatile. Alright, GU, just stop us out or... Go. Okay, it's starting to vibrate a little here.
It's just keeping you there, bro. Just to like tease you.
Bro. Okay, I'm out, chat. They're out. Break even, as mentioned. If it was gonna work out, we would have been trading lower already. So it's not even a case of letting the trade breathe. There's no such thing as letting trades breathe. If a trade was a living organism, I would say yes, let it breathe. But this is financial markets. You don't let anything breathe. Yeah, chat. So break even. I just want to screenshot this. Let's just screenshot this quickly. I hope you guys learned something here today in terms of managing a trade, formulating a trade idea and then executing on it. So that is basically my last 3 trades. All 3 have been break even. Alright guys, that is, let me see if there's anything else. I think that is me for the session. Yeah, DXY rejecting that daily S1 will most probably now go to the 104. US 30 still very ugly range here. Expect that to play out a little bit later. Gold, as mentioned, 2350. That's the level I want. Daily is bullish. Yes, daily is bullish, and I said bullish. Why? Because we are holding above this level right here. Let me just close this quickly. 2 consecutive bullish daily candle closures, confirmed support. We are holding above this key level, and 2340, that's all you need to think about today. If you hold above that, Chad, we are going to do an aggressive move to 2392, either today or tomorrow. And if you look on the 5-minute, beautiful little retest there. Only thing though is for me the 80. Look at this. I'm not going to try and buy it now. So GBP USD break even trade going all the way back. Look at that, Chad. Remember what I said? So always think about it, a point, a lower high or a higher low, whatever it is. If you cannot take out a low from here, you guys might have learned something here today. If from this point, think of this as a person throwing a shot put weight or ball, whatever they call it. If he can't take out that low, that becomes a weak high. And this high is going to get clapped. And there you can see taking that high as mentioned, because it's a weak high. This, for instance, is a strong high. Why is this a strong high? Because from this level, look at that clean, aggressive move. So this becomes a much stronger level than this level there. So keep that in mind. Maybe that adds a little piece to your puzzle of your trading. So Euro still just grinding here. UJ, yeah, just grinding here off the daily pivot. GJ on its way to 250. And then a little bit later, if we do get it, I'm still looking long here. I feel like EJ's got a lot more upside potential. Because look at this, there's still from that level almost 98 pips to go for that wick fill. Keeks, anything? I'm just going to throw on your screen real quick. If there's anything you just want to close off with here.
Honestly, Chad, I'm waiting for gold still. Obviously, as I said, anything above here is where we want to be looking for those bars, getting above the EQ and above that 23.45. We want to be looking for those bars, and otherwise breaks below here with a hold as resistance. Look for the sell. So this right now, we're just in between ranging over there, so nothing too much happening. DXY, obviously Asia high still on the cards with that key level to close the gap from this morning. Indices, Nasdaq playing out beautifully, as we said, the retest of the daily pivot and the run, but as you know, we don't trade indices in London session. And US 30 looking a little bit more bearish. Other two, as I mentioned to you guys, the fact we tested the highs, failed with a massive rejection, so resistance, held resistance, and now keep, if you look at this, kind of making, as you said, this equal lows the whole time. Yeah, so definitely can see that push for Asia lows. I'm going to see, possibly wait for New York if we're going to get the push around about the EQ S1. Otherwise, the big move back down to these 4-hour levels of support, and if that fails, the big push underneath. But that's pretty much what I'm going to be looking for on the charts today, Chad.
Keeks, just a quick Liesel Foster saying, how do you feel about the furries that say close if you feel your account is getting chowed?
Hey.
Liesel, I don't know, these guys close if you, or close if you smile at the profits. GJ making another attempt to break resistance. Gasperio, haven't seen you yet. Jex, markets big cock, lol. Chris is the first trade for the week. Yes, this is the first trade, believe it or not, Chad. That is the first trade. And yeah, good start. Break even, that's the beauty of it. It's not a loss, it's not a win. It could have been much worse if it was a loss, and it isn't a loss. So think of it that way. What else? Let me just see. Only way to go in is odd. Okay. All right, Chad. Any closing remarks from you guys? Anything that you want to chat about before we leave? Now is your time to let us know. I'm looking for a song here. I want to leave you guys with a little song. Talking about song, Keeks.
Yeah.
Pro song, my brother. I'm worried about him. Chad, we need to start praying for Pro song again. Vault funded close early gisterand 14 kon ek nie my trades exit nie. Moes wag vir vanoggend. Yes. Dit was a bank holiday, young man. Only a half day in the markets. Each time I come here, the market violates Chris in Zuma's voice. No, bro, it's a break-even trade. I don't know what's violating on that. But, yeah, fortune. Mochunyanya. Nyanya manyanya. Stay safe, people. Make good decisions. And remember, cash capital is positioned perfect. Yeah, no trade. Oh, yeah, guys, so we are only seeing you. Keegan and Jeff will see you guys this afternoon. Then I will see you guys on Thursday morning. If you're going out to vote tomorrow, please make sure that you make the right decision. I see Liesel saying that an IEC agent catching lifts on the highway carrying ballot boxes. It's a joke, Liesel. How can we expect free and fair elections if you see the manner that we run a country? So it's all vibes, though. At least you can have that little mark on your thumb, and you can feel like you're part of a democracy, even though, it is not really a democracy. Chad, peace and love, baby. Keeks, any last words here before we?
That's everything from my side, guys. Gave you a little run through. Markets, as I said, still nothing to drive the market, so no surprises there. But we're going to see what we can catch in New York session.
Beautiful, Chad. Peace and love, baby. We will see you guys on the flip side, 3 o'clock with Jav and my boy Keeks. Really enjoyed it. Thanks, Chad.
There's nowhere to go but up on my pedestal. But is that the truth? It takes me as high as I want it to. Little by little, I'm chipping away, shaping my future. I see it in waves. No longer anchored by my fears. Even though I see them, I'ma keep on climbing. Look at all I'm finding, 'cause I'm so close to this new version of myself. Chipping away, shaping my future. I see it.